Contrary to what most people think, the Bitcoin SV price probe is very bad right now. Bitcoin SV really shows that things are going downhill. Contrary to what most people think, the BSV US dollar's true medium-term support stayed around 45.49 in a quiet way at the end of the week. As of July 2023, the price of Bitcoin SV is 39.77.13 USD. In this video, we'll walk you through the Bitcoin SV price for now, or probably a week from now. We'll also try to answer your questions in a way that makes sense and explains some facts. What really is the short-term price forecast for Bitcoin SV? Most of the time, it's BSV, a kind of why there's interest and a kind of large way Bitcoin SV support and opposition levels, etc. This is contrary to what most people think, but before we get too deep into the BSV technical analysis, let's talk about the current economy, which is a big deal. In the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of $1.84, which brings the total value of the cryptographic money market to $1.90, 985, 483, 16, and the total trading amount continues to be $31,315,169,849. Contrary to what most people think, Bitcoin only has 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a majority of 16.33%. This led to Bitcoin's price dropping to $30,584.92 after a loss of 0.29, while Ethereum's value dropped by 0.24 to $18, 82.48 over the past 24 hours. This shows how cryptocurrencies are not as stable as people think. After losing 0.77 of its value, Coco's BCX went down to 60 cents. This is a big drop, and it shows that the market is going down in a big way right now. As of July 2023, the average price of Bitcoin SV is 39.77.20 USD. This shows that the crypto market as a whole is in a very bad slump. In this video, we'll take you through an analysis of the Bitcoin SV price for now or for a week from now, and we'll try to answer these questions that are often asked. What is obviously a short-term price expectation for Bitcoin SV is BSV, it really smart speculation that is clearly really big. Bitcoin SV support and resistance are important technical indicators used to find key price levels where a trend can change direction. For example, while this blog was being posted, BNB traded at 246.58 after a change of 0.42 in value during the same time period. Despite what most people think, support is a level where buyers are willing to buy. For the US dollar, medium-term support has been around 45. BSV, the execution of Bitcoin SV, was based on a value study. Market data Bitcoin SV, BSV, is trading at 39.77 with a trading volume of $37,990,833. This shows that support is a level where buyers are more active and keep the coin's price from falling further, which is very important. However, BSV has only lost 1.01 in value in the last 24 hours over the course of a week. The price of BSV changes by 12.07, and its market value is $766,148,673 US. Bitcoin clearly has 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum has 16.33%, which is a very important number. Bitcoin SV, Cost Inquiry BSV, Cost Inquiry, for July 20th. 2023 insight and basically daily time frame for the most part made sense below, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.89 of the entry market while Ethereum usually has a predominance of 16.33, which is very important. We use pretty relative strength in DEX RSI moving in every practical sense, regular assembly and different MACD backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including most definitely basic moving most certainly small and Remarka moving pretty normal EMA to look at the future of Bitcoin SV most likely despite what most people think. Especially, the BSV US dollar moving very normal combination and identity macked marker in a real sense is demonstrating a kind of present moment basically purchase genuinely signal as the macked line especially is moving above really signal line which generally implies bull sort of our ruling on the lookout exhibiting that Bitcoin SV backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically, or significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path showing how well distributing this blog BNB exchanged at 246.58 following a value change of 0.42 within a similar time span and a fundamentally enormous manner RSI suggesting solidification stage while exchanging at 47 and explicitly is attempting to for the most part break out of the non-partisanship zone exhibiting that RSI inferring combination stage while exchanging at 47 and fundamentally is attempting to basically break out of the lack of bias zone in a quite huge manner while BSV's Williams percent R pointer most certainly is at 64.047 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. At this level, it's possible to make a really clear deal. So support is, in every way, a level at which buy users actually become. As the BTC price gets ready for a bull market in 2023, traders say, get ready. Bitcoin. Traders who are watching two key trend lines say that the market is getting ready for its next bull run in a classic way. Mustache and Titan of Crypto, two well-known traders, recently looked at social media and found that the BTC price was about to break out. The bull market line for Bitcoin looks for a classic crossover. Titan of Crypto says that Bitcoin's price cycles are very similar to those of the past, and that the time is almost right for a bullish rise. By uploading past price data, he drew attention to the 21-week simple moving average, SMA, which is currently at $27,900, according to Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView. Once this upward-sloping trend line goes above the spot price range, a long period of rising prices follows. This is why the 21-week simple moving average is called the bull market line. Titan of Crypto said that what was happening was a bull market kickoff. Once the weekly 21 MA crosses over the BTC market structure, it will kick off the bull market, he said. 4 years ago, in early 2019, Bitcoin had its last MA cross. This happened at the same point in the previous cycle as the price moved today. This caused the area high for that year to be close to $14,000. The COVID-19 cross-market crash in March 2020 briefly broke the cross. Titan of Crypto calls this event a black swan. Imagine being bearish about Bitcoin above $28,600, said a trader. Another trend line to watch is the 20-month SMA, which looks